Welcome to PrimeScoreX. In this video, we are focusing on ELDs and driver logs, what every new CDL driver must know. The goal is to explain electronic logging devices and the driver's responsibility for accurate records of duty status. This is not about memorizing isolated facts. It is about understanding the professional decision-making behind the CDL written test and using that understanding to answer questions with confidence. An ELD records driving activity, but the driver is still responsible for reviewing, correcting, and certifying the log. Logs connect directly to hours of service compliance, roadside inspections, company safety scores, and professional credibility. The CDL written test usually rewards the safest legal decision, not the fastest or easiest one. When you study this topic, focus on the reason behind each rule. Ask what danger the rule prevents, what professional habit it builds, and how the wrong answer might create a second hazard. First core idea: ELDs track driving time and record duty status information. Do not treat this as a definition only. Connect it to a real driving situation. The exam may describe the same idea through a scenario, a warning sign, a vehicle condition, or a choice between two actions that both sound reasonable. Second core idea: drivers must review and certify their records. In CDL questions, wording matters. The answer may depend on whether the vehicle is loaded or empty, moving or stopped, on a downgrade or level road, in normal weather or reduced traction. Always read the situation before choosing the rule. Third core idea: edits must be accurate and not used to hide violations. Strong CDL preparation means connecting cause and effect. A safe driver can explain what happens next if a condition is ignored. That is exactly how many test questions are built. Fourth core idea: inspectors may review recent logs during roadside inspections. This is where professional judgment matters. The CDL exam is not only checking memory, it is checking whether you can select the action that protects people, equipment, cargo, and your license. Use a repeatable study method. First, log in before beginning work. Second, choose the correct duty status for inspections, fueling, loading, brakes, and driving. This keeps your study organized and prevents the common mistake of jumping straight into practice questions before the concept is clear. Third, review unassigned driving or edits carefully. Fourth, certify only after confirming the record is accurate. The purpose of practice is not only to see whether you are right. The purpose is to understand why the right answer is safe, legal, and professionally defensible. If the ELD shows incorrect duty status after a yard move or loading delay, the driver should correct it according to company procedure. Ignoring mistakes can create compliance problems later. When a question appears, do not rush to the answer choices. First, identify the condition: vehicle condition, road condition, traffic condition, driver condition, cargo condition, or legal requirement. Then ask which action reduces risk without creating a new problem. That order protects you from attractive but unsafe answers. A common mistake is thinking the ELD removes driver responsibility. Another mistake is forgetting to certify logs. Both mistakes come from studying too loosely. The fix is to slow down during review and force every answer to connect to a clear rule or safety principle. Another trap is using the wrong duty status because it seems convenient. CDL questions often include small words that change the entire meaning. Watch for first, best, safest, not, except, before, after, loaded, empty, downgrade, and emergency. Before selecting an answer, confirm that you answered the exact question asked. Practice in short focus sets. After each set, separate wrong answers into categories: content gap, reading error, rule confusion, number error, or judgment error. This turns practice into improvement. Random repetition without correction only repeats the same weakness. You are ready when you can explain the difference between what the device records and what the driver must verify. Use this memory cue: log, review, correct, certify, explain. Keep it simple. The goal is not to memorize a slogan. The goal is to have a quick mental checklist that helps you recognize what the question is really testing. The final takeaway is simple. Study the concept, identify the condition, choose the safest legal action, and review every miss until the pattern improves. That is how CDL theory becomes exam readiness and professional judgment. Study smarter. Score your best.